Hey there, it's Miranda Fox, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. Today, we are going to check out a super cute cozy condo in downtown Oshawa. Check out this living space. Look at that natural light streaming through here. It's fantastic. And your eat-in area here, it's fantastic. It overlooks the bright, spacious living area, and it's adjacent to the kitchen, which has everything for you to make a fantastic meal. Not too often in condo living do you find a bathroom that's as glorious as this. Check it out. We've got 2 sinks, stone counters, and a massive shower here. Now to round out this fantastic space, you've got a super large bedroom. Now here, there's room for a king size bed. There's 2 dressers, there's 2 night tables, and there's a double closet. What more could you ask for? Thanks for joining me as we checked out this awesome condo in the heart of Oshawa. Now it has everything you need, and I want you to come and check it out for yourself. So call us above at that number. We'll be happy to book a showing for you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I want to make sure that you don't miss out on any other great properties that we have for sale.